Hello guys and welcome to my channel. As you know guys, this is one of the video of the series of video that I'm doing here on my channel to create a drone right from the scratch for the aerial photography. In this series guys, today in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Radiomaster Tx16S radio control. As you know guys, this is one of the popular radio control as of now in the market, which comes with an OpenTX operating system. This is the combo module which is called Masterfire combo, coming from the Radiomaster guys. So today we'll see what are the things which comes included in this combo module. So guys, if you're new to assembling drone, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. As I have told you guys, this is not the normal Radiomaster Tx16S. This is a combo module which is called Masterfire combo guys. So whenever you purchase this combo guys, it comes in this big black box, as you can see guys. So this is made by Radiomaster. The model number of the radio control here is Tx16S. Before we can start with the unboxing guys, let us see what are the details or the information which is present on the top of the box guys. So as you can see on the top, you can see the radio control itself guys, and it is made by Radiomaster. Model number is Tx16S. On the sides guys, it has nothing more than the branding logo guys. Now let us turn this onto the bottom. Here you can see guys, on the back side it has some of the information and overview along with some of the technical features or specifications which this model has to offer. So as you can see guys, this has a microcontroller unit inbuilt of STM32F429BIT, industrial grade 4.3 inch 480 by 270 outdoor reliable color screen. It is compatible with OpenTX operating system, wheel menu button, CNC machine, hall sensor, gimbals, internal multi-protocol RF system, native Tbs Crossfire support, supports telemetry protocol and receiver dependent memory. It has an inbuilt memory of 16 MB and can be expanded by the memory card or SD card. It has a voice function, vibration reminder function, improved JR module slot, 6 flight mode button, pixel hawk and more, 3 color LED status display, USB-C charging port, USB-C simulator and PC connection port, external UART port to expand the capabilities of your radios. So these are the high level technical specifications guys. Now let us quickly unbox this and see the contents inside. So as you can see guys, when you first open the box, inside the box you can see there is another foam based box that it comes with. So let's quickly take this out. Apart from this main box guys, it comes with some of the quick starter guide and the stickers guys that you can use to make your radio control looks more cooler. So in my future videos guys, I'm going to tell you how to get started with this Radiomaster Tx16S radio transmitter module. So ensure that guys you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on my future videos. For now I'm going to keep this quick starter guide aside. So when you purchase this Radiomaster Tx16S radio transmitter module, it comes in this big black box for the safety. Now let's quickly open this box and see what is the contents inside. So as you can see guys, this is a foam based cover guys that it comes with. Here on the top you have the radio control itself. Let's remove the radio controller from the top and see what are other things which are included inside this combo module guys. So here you can see it comes with this USB-C charging cable. So this USB type C cable guys can be used for charging this radio control. Also it can be used for data transfer, to transfer the data from your radio control to your PC and vice versa. And also guys, you can connect this USB-C type cable to this Radiomaster transmitter guys so as to be able to use it as a simulator to your PC. So it has a multi-purpose guys, so it comes with this USB type C cable. Here guys, it comes with a Radiomaster keychain as well, which you can put it here onto the top. So guys, with this package it also comes with this FrSky inverter module. This inverter module is used for Tbs Crossfire external RF module so as to be able to communicate at higher speed with FrSky radio receiver guys. It comes included with this package guys. We will see that in detail later. Here you can see guys, it comes with the Tbs Crossfire transmitter module guys, which can be connected onto the backside port of your Radiomaster as an external module, which comes included in this package along with this FrSky inverter module. So this is also something really nice which comes included in this combo module. In addition to that guys, it also comes with this screen protector which can be placed on the top side screen of your radio transmitter module so as to protect it from scratches and damage. So these are all the contents which came inside this black box guys. Now let us quickly see each of these components in detail. So here you can see guys, this comes with Tbs Crossfire external transmitter module guys with attached T antenna for the better reception guys. This comes with Tbs Crossfire micro transmitter module. This is version 2. Rating of this is 3.5 to 13 volt, maximum 2 watt output. So this is also going to be super nice guys. As you can see guys, it comes with a USB type C port on the top so as to be able to update the Crossfire firmware onto your transmitter module, which can then be used with this FrSky inverter module on the compatible old FrSky radio receivers. Now let's quickly open and see the contents inside. So here you have the FrSky inverter module, which you do not need with this Radiomaster Tx16S as it is fully compatible with Crossfire. However, you will need this inverter module on your FrSky non-compatible model, which are QX7, X10X and X12, which cannot handle the higher baud rate guys. So you need to use this hardware inverter module so that it communicates at higher baud rate, which is 400 Hertz, which is the default baud rate for communication with the Crossfire external transmitter module guys. So let's keep that aside for now. The keyring, the screen cover and the USB cables are pretty much self-explanatory guys, and the uses are pretty clear, so I'll keep that aside for now. Now guys, let us quickly look at the radio transmitter module itself. This is Mark 1 guys. As you can see with the features and specifications, it comes with pre-installed factory fitted Hall sensor gimbals which are high quality and CNC made. So this is also something really nice and very nice addition to this receiver module. Here you have function buttons for return, page up, page down and telemetry. Here you have the scroll button and OK button by clicking, and here you have system and the mode button on to the top. Here you have the power button guys, and then you have switches on the top and the controls on the side as well guys. So that is how it looks like on the physical specifications. Now let us look on the back side. So on the back side guys, this is your battery compartment where you can install and connect the battery. So let's slide it out and take a look. So inside the battery compartment guys, you can see there is a battery holder which takes two 18650 battery that can be used to power this up. Also guys, it has a jumper board connection here guys, so either you can use battery to power this radio receiver, or you can take this out and connect the 2S lipo battery to power this radio control. Onto the back side guys, here also you can see there is a box or the slot for connecting your Tbs Crossfire or any other transmitter module externally which you want to use it with this radio transmitter module guys. So this is on the back side guys. Here you can see it has come with this rubberized raised rubber grips so as to be able to have a good and nice grip on this radio transmitter module. And then guys, it comes with this fixed steel head so as to be able to hold this really firmly, or you can use it on the table just as a stand so as to be able to use this as a simulator if you want to put it onto the table and control the functions of your drone or RC plane. So this is also something really nice guys. It is really lightweight, it is nice built, it looks like plastic guys, but here you can say on the sides as well it is comes with the rubber padding so as to have a nice grip, so it feels really nice and sturdy and good quality. The plastic is really nice and good. So that is how the physical specifications looks like. As per the port goes, on the bottom side guys, it has some of the ports. It has an SD card slot here guys. This model comes with 16 GB of SD card, which is pre-installed on this radio control. If you want, you can extend this up to 32 GB. That is also something really nice. Here you can see it has a USB Type-C charging port, which is also something really desirable in this era guys, because USB Type-C chargers are now more common guys, and you don't want to maintain several different types of chargers just to be able to charge your radio control. Whenever you use the lipo battery guys, this is also something super important to know, that whenever you use USB Type-C charging, it has a well built-in balance charging, so that your lipo batteries are charged in balance, which is also something really important guys for longevity and safety of your battery module, which is going to be installed inside this radio control. It comes with two UART ports, so as to be able to extend and connect the peripherals onto this radio control externally. So this is also something really nice which comes inbuilt. It comes with this rubber packaging on the top guys, so as to keep your ports safe and clean and to prevent it from any dust or damage. Onto the top side guys, it comes with this pre-installed antenna guys, which is used to communicate with your drone. This is I think 2.4 GHz antenna guys for now, which is the default radio control built inside this radio transmitter module guys. Here on the top side guys, you can see you have an audio jack, and also you have a USB Type-C port. The audio jack can be used to connect the headphones, so that you do not have a audio feedback whenever you want to hear the instructions that is coming out of this radio control guys, and you do not want to disturb the people around you. You can use this audio jack to connect any 3.5 mm headphones and restrict the instruction just to you. And then guys, you have USB Type-C port here on the top, so this is used for the data transfer, and also you can use this USB Type-C port to connect it to your PC and use this radio control as a simulator, which is also something really nice guys. So now let's quickly put the batteries and boot this up. Before we boot this up guys, as you know, this comes pre-installed with OpenTX operating system for this radio control. This is an open source architecture guys. The newer model of this Radiomaster comes pre-installed with HTX, which also supports the touchscreen. So here on the top side guys, it has pre-installed touchscreen, but OpenTX operating system as of now do not support the touch functionality, so it might not work. And also something important guys, the screen here on this Radiomaster is a color screen, which is also something really nice guys. So now let's put the batteries inside and boot this up. So let us put the batteries inside. I have two 18650 batteries with 900 milliampere each guys with me here, but these batteries were not included with this radio transmitter module guys, so you need to purchase them separately, or if you have a 2S LiPo batteries, then you can use them as well to power this radio transmitter module. So let's put the batteries inside. All you need to do is slide the backside cover out, and then guys, you have this battery compartment which is connected here onto the bottom side of the radio control to power this up. Now let's put the batteries inside. I will remove this tape for now and put the batteries inside. Just to let you know guys, as it has a USB charger already inbuilt guys, so you do not need to remove these batteries from the radio control, and you can charge them using the USB cable that came along with this, using the external USB port present at the bottom of this radio control guys. So this is also something really nice guys. You can keep the batteries inside and you do not need to take them out to charge them again and again. So this is also something super important and really nice, which is also something super important and nice done by this Radiomaster transmitter module. So this is how you put it back. Now your radio control is ready to boot up. Here you have the power button. Let's press the power button to boot this up.
Welcome to OpenTX.
As I told you guys, this comes with pre-installed OpenTX operating system guys. So this is definitely going to be a colored screen. It supports the touch screen, guys, but as of now this OpenTX operating system does not support the touch screen functionality, guys, so your touch screen will not work. In my future videos, guys, I will tell you how to update this OpenTX architecture to HTX architecture, so ensure that, guys, you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on my future videos. So now let's quickly go inside the system menu and check the details inside. So here you can see, guys, inside the tool menu it comes with pre-installed features that it supports. So it supports Crossfire, DSM forwarding programming, FrSky Gas Suite, FrSky RB30, RB40, FrSky SBEC, FrSky SXR. It comes with Gropper Hot, multi-channel namer, multi-lorry RX config, PID DSM, TBS Agent Lite, Spectrum Initializer or Spectrum Analyzer. So these are all things which are as of now inbuilt, pre-installed in this OpenTX operating system. Now let us quickly go on to system information and see what is the firmware versions. As of now you can see it has an installed firmware of OpenTX for Tx16S model number. The version of this firmware is 2.3.11. the date on which it was flashed was 2021-0108. time was 4:31 and EPR 219. so it comes with an loaded feature. As you can see, it by factory comes supported with Crossfire, Ghost, Flexar 9M, AFH DS3, internal, multi-module, Lua and Lua AC script is all supported by this OpenTX operating system. So guys, in my future videos I'm going to walk you through on how to use and configure this OpenTX operating system, so ensure that you stay tuned to my channel. So this is it, guys. This is the quick unboxing and high-level overview of this Tx16S radio control, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Clear skies.